Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we cooking today?
We're making chocolate lasagna.
Chocolate lasagna? But actually, we're not cooking, are we?
No.
What?
My cousin will do it.
Your cousin, our cousin Kassie in Michigan, is going to cook for us, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's a cousin? Did you know?
Mm-hmm.
A cousin is a relative that is shares a common ancestor or a family member, right?
Mm-hmm.
And did you know that cousins have degrees? Yeah, like first cousin, second cousin, third cousin, and so on.
Yeah.
And did you know you can't marry your cousin?
No. Because it's illegal.
It's illegal, that's right. All right, so let's get cooking. Let's welcome Kassie!
Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate lasagna. So for the ingredients, you are going to need Oreos, butter. It can be salted or unsalted. Cream cheese, sugar, milk, Cool Whip, pudding, and mini chocolate chips. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is pulse until they're all crushed up. You can add them to the bowl.
Oreo.
You want to get 6 tablespoons of butter, and they should have the measurements right here. And you want to melt it, so put it in the microwave for about a minute. Now that your butter is done, you want to pour it in, and you want to mix it until it is like a wet sand consistency.
Sand, huh? Wow.
Wow.
You want to, so I'm using this type of sand, regular foil one.
Okay, and if you're going to take it somewhere, right?
Yeah.
You can always use a regular glass pan too, or just
Spray with Pam.
Yeah, spray with
Gonna take all of it and stick it in here. And then you're gonna want to pat it down evenly on the whole pan. Okay, so now that you're done with this, you can take it and put it in the freezer very gently. See, there's a little crack right there, but you can cover that up.
Now she got 2 different socks on.
So now that you're done with that,
How long do you want to leave that in there for?
just until you're done with the next thing.
Okay, it's the next step.
Hand mixer, you want to use these.
So one of those beaters.
Yeah.
See, she's learning too.
Get 8 ounces of cream cheese. There we go. So once you got your cream cheese in there, you wanna go for 1, and you just wanna mix it until it's fluffy.
Oh. See, we all make mistakes, huh? It's okay.
Yeah, we
Spilled
made
Spilled the milk a little bit.
But now, oh wait, not yet. Okay. Then you're gonna add the sugar. So you're gonna have 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, now you can put it up to 2 if you want. You don't want to mix it. With
Looks like frosting.
Yeah.
like this.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
back to the freezer. Oh, no, it comes out of the freezer.
Then you might want to be careful so you don't spill it. Put this on. Oops, I made a dent in it. Okay, so now you can just smooth it around. Some of the Oreo might come up, but it's okay. Take this and put it in the freezer for as long as it takes to make the next thing. I used to
Make the next layer, right? Oh, the next layer is pudding.
need about 8 ounces of pudding. So this is 6.5. And we need 7.8. So we can probably just do 8. Round.
Just rounding up. Make the math easier.
So you can just double the recipe if you want. That's what I'm going to do. Instead of making them separate.
That's a good idea. I
So
like that.
you're going to need, if you're combining them, then you're going to need 4 cups of milk.
How many cups you need again?
4, because I'm doing a double.
Hi, Chris.
That's 1. 2.
3.
Let me just make sure I'm doing this right first. 2 cups of cold milk, yep. And 4. I'll add the pudding. Okay, so now that you got all your pudding and milk in there, so you're gonna want to mix it for 5 minutes and it will be soft. But if you,
What happened? Her beater came out. That's happened to us before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You can see it's starting to get a little bit thicker, but you still want it to be more thick. I think that's good.
It's like the third layer of lasagna.
Not that much.
Oh, it's good. Thumbs up.
Oh.
I want some.
And then for this layer, you're going to want to leave it in the freezer for about 10 minutes because you don't have to make anything for the last layer. So it's just a quick one.
Ooh, it looks yummy, doesn't it? Yeah.
And then while this is in the freezer, you can... Okay, so it might be a little cracked if you're using all these, but
That's because that tin is not that.
no, freeze
solid.
together. Freeze it together. Ends. Okay. So now that the leave it in there for about 10 minutes, so you can set a timer.
Let me see Chris shooting. Ooh, it's been 10 minutes. Yummy.
Yummy.
Ooh, looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh.
Now.
Open this. And now, this is the part where you're going to put cool on the top. This is the last layer.
Last layer of the chocolate lasagna.
Yes. Chocolate lasagna.
Just the fingers. Ooh, looks good, doesn't it?
Now for the fun.
Fun! Woohoo!
Oh, for the Cool Whip, I just have a 16-ounce container, and I used all of it. So, it's probably the size you want to get. Okay. Now for this part, you can either...
Looks delicious,
I'm going to
Cass!
show you how to make chocolate lasagna.
Yeah, you definitely showed us how to make chocolate lasagna. Okay, so as you can see, we also were inspired by Cassie and made our own. It looks delicious. We're not going to dig in because we've earmarked this for family, friends. We're going to take it to their house. But create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum. And cook with your cousins.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. If you like our video, please send me for my mom for next time.
Yeah, and thank you, Cassie, very much for joining us today. We appreciate it. We appreciate everybody putting it together. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.